Here you can see 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. Hello and welcome traders. In this video, we will talk about what lot size is, if you also do Forex trading, trade in foreign exchange, or trade in gold. Here you can see, this is my gold chart. I trade in gold, so I will be talking about it. You're here. You are not understanding what lot size should be used. How many lots should we take? When gold moves by a certain number of points, how much profit or loss will it show us? So if you're confused about any of this, then this video is perfect for you. Stay with me, because I'm going to explain everything in a very simple way. So let's get started. Before we begin, I want to show you a small trade of mine, because I'm a trader and I don't want to just talk on the surface. I want to show you real examples. Here, I'm showing you a small trade first, and then we'll move ahead. How do we actually understand how much profit or loss we get with different lot sizes? I had taken a trade in gold here. You can see 3 positions, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and this trade is from a funded account. As you can see here, I entered the first position at 4,101, and the stop loss got hit. So you can clearly see the loss right here. There's a loss of $144, okay? After that, I took 2 more trades. At that moment, I was supposed to take 0.20 lots, but instead, I ended up taking 2 trades of 0.10 lot each. So here you can see it clearly. The entry price is shown here, sell order was placed, and the target was set at 4,100. We had set a target of 30 points, and you can see that both targets were hit. Look here, 302 and 307, which means a total of 610 points. We made profit here, and earlier there was a loss of 144 points. Points, not dollars. So overall, I made a profit of $465 on this setup. If you want to learn from me, then subscribe to the channel. Now, let's understand how to decide the right lot size and how much a point movement in gold will show us as profit or loss. So first of all, let's not talk about pips. When we trade gold in USD, that is XAUUSD, you'll notice that the chart shows the price directly in dollars. Everything you see on the chart is displayed in US dollars only. Look here. All these points are shown in US dollars. Okay. So since this chart displays everything in USD, it becomes much easier for us to understand how every point of movement translates into profit or loss. That's why we won't talk about pips here, and we won't calculate anything in pips. There will be a lot of confusion if we start doing pip-by-pip calculations. And honestly, when you're taking a live trade, you don't have that much time to calculate everything you need to place the order instantly based on what the chart is showing. That's why it's easier to understand everything directly in dollars. So we'll keep it simple and learn in terms of dollars only. All right, let's understand this now. Here you can see 3 lot sizes, 1 lot, 0.1 lot, and 0.01 lot. These are the basic lot options we use in gold trading. Okay, so 1 lot is equal to $100. I've written it here. When gold moves 1 point, meaning a $1 movement, then 1 lot will give you a $100 change. For example, right now, gold is at 4,200. It's running around 4,200. All right, you place the order at 4,200, right? And after that, the price moved to 4,201. It increased by $1. Now the question is, how much profit or loss will you see? So look, if you are trading with 1 lot, then for a 1 point, $1 movement in gold, you will see a $100 profit or loss. Got it. This means if you're trading with 1 lot and gold moves just $1 up or down, your PL will change by $100. Got it? This means if you are trading with 1 lot and gold moves $1, your P&L will change by $100. All right? Similarly, if you are trading with 0.1 lot, then when gold moves by $1, and here $1 movement means the same for everyone, you simply have to see how much your account will show in P&L. So with 0.1 lot and a $1 move in gold, your profit or loss will show accordingly. Similarly, if you're trading with 0.1 lot, then for the same $1 movement in gold, your P&L will show $10. And if you're trading with 0.01 lot, then a $1 movement will show $1. If you want to set a stop loss, assume that you have made a trade here. You made a trade at 4200, right? And assume that it will go down by $5. Meaning, if it goes to 4295, your stop loss will be hit. Here, it will remain a sell. So, according to this, what happened? If you're trading with 0.10 lot, then remember, 0.10 lot is considered the standard for most small traders. If you are trading with 0.10 lot, then 0.10 lot is a standard and comfortable size for beginners. And if you have even less capital, you can use 0.01 lot, where a $1 movement in gold gives you only a $1 profit or loss. So if you feel that a $20 risk doesn't match your psychology, you can adjust your lot size accordingly. You can go with 0.01 lot for very small tick movement. I personally trade with 0.10 lot, so I'm explaining everything based on that. So look, here you placed a trade and the market moved $5 down. What does this mean? If you are trading gold with 0.1 lot, then for every $1 movement in gold, your P&L changes by $10. So when price moves $5, your total profit or loss will be $50. This means your loss will be a loss. Here, this will be your loss of $50 when your sell hits. And similarly, if you are thinking of making a trade with a 1-to-2 ratio, then you will set a target of 4-2-1-0 or trail further. If the market is good, then how much profit will you have here? If it increased by $10, you tell me. If the dollar increased. Gold. If gold is increasing in dollars, then how much profit will there be? Simple 10 into $1,000. It is as simple as that. We will talk about pips when we trade currency pairs. Like when we trade in Euro USD, the value is in fractions there. You might see some value like this. So we will talk about everything later. When we get to that, right now I trade in gold. If you want to understand pips, you can comment below and I will explain it. So this has a simple rule. Let me summarize. That this $1 gold means on the spot. Like here. See? It is currently at 4080. Okay? Now if it reaches 4081, then this is a $1 movement. On the spot, it's okay for a $1 movement. If you are trading with this lot, it will show a profit or loss of $100. If you are trading with 0.1 lot, it will show $10. And if you are trading with 0.01 lot, it will show $1. This is for a $1 spot moment. So understand it in terms of dollars. And if you are doing it with 0.1 lot, then multiply by 10. So if there is a $10 moment on the spot, how much profit will you have? $10 means $10, which means $100, right? So we will have a profit of $100. Once traded with 0.1 lot, it had a sale of approximately $15.15. So there, I had a loss of $144. Okay, then I did 2, meaning 0.2 lot, meaning 2 trades of 0.1 lot. And there, my around 30, you both had targets and both were hit. So there was a profit of $610 here. So overall, I had a profit of $465. Okay, so you have to understand this in a simple way in terms of dollars. If you are trading in the gold pair, then, okay. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep earning.